Welcome to the Daily Message. Today we observe Good Friday, the day on which we remember that Jesus died for us, that Jesus suffered crucifixion for us and for all of humanity. Every year the church prays the Gospel of John, the Passion story in the Gospel of John, to tell us about Jesus' suffering and death. And one of the striking things about John's depiction of Jesus' passion is how much he notes that Jesus is in charge of the entire process. So at the very beginning, at the time when Jesus is about to be arrested, John says this: Jesus knowing everything that was about to happen to him. So he addresses Judas, he addresses the crowd that is about to arrest him. When Jesus goes before Pilate, he is not silent. He engages him in conversation. He does not do this in the other Gospels. He is in charge of the conversation. John notes, unlike the other gospel stories about the Passion, that Jesus carries his own cross. There is no mention of Simon of Cyrene. On the cross, we see that Jesus entrusts the care of his mother to the beloved disciple. He does that only in the Gospel of John. When Jesus is about to die, he does not cry out, my God, why have you forsaken me?" No, his final words are, "It is finished." He knows that it's time to accept his death. Right now, we are living in very, very uncertain times. We're dealing with the unknown, and there's a lot of stress and anxiety that accompanies the unknown. On this Good Friday, I suggest that we're called, even more than usual, to place our trust, our confidence in God and in his Son as we confront the pandemic. Believing and knowing that God is still in charge and that God and his Son Jesus are with us always. Thank you for watching today. Please stay safe and healthy and have a sacred Good Friday.